On 15th November 2019, a great event happened across Franchise College, London, Ontario. It was an introduction to machinery and robotics to today's youth and future generation. Basically, an idea started by an independent Indian student to reach great heights in robotics. He gathered and made different machinery with the help of his professors, and now he is producing such a great outcome out of it. We get time to spend with Sahil Sharma, a great entrepreneur, and he took interest in explaining what actually he wants to start with, and he has something great more to say on this.
Hey man, what's your name?
My name is Sahil.
So tell us something like how you get into these things. What is your studies background and all?
Uh, Back in India, I've done my bachelor's in mechanical engineering, whereby I specialized in automobile engineering, and that's where I started getting interested in robotics too. So when I joined Fanshawe, I was approached with one of the professors because I was good in designing. So he approached me to be a part of another club. It's called FRC. It's a world-class competition, world-level competition. Almost 4,000 teams compete on it. So that's where I actually started getting into robotics, and then I opened my own robotics club here at Fanshawe. It's Iron Falcon Robotics Club, and as per now we have close to 50 members to it, and we are working on some industry projects and some of our own pet projects.
He further explained in detail how the machinery really works.
I would like to understand like how this is contributing to the modern era. Can you explain that?
Sure. See, moving forward, we can see most of the manufacturing industry, they are turning into automation now. That is where we want to give people an exposure of what automation is all about. That is where this whole clubs come into play, right? If you come here, I can show you some of the products that we have made. It's a t-shirt cannon. So we normally use it when there's a game season. So the way it works is we fill it with t-shirts, and it has a can of compressed air, right? So that compressed air, it shoots the t-shirts towards the fan. So it's fun for them and it's more interesting for them. Moving forward, the other machine that we have, it's a 3D printer. Uh, that's one of the most awesome products we have come up with. This is the one we built up just recently. It uses PLA material to print things up. So the way it works is if you have any product, anything, you have a 3D model of it. You use some softwares to do that, and then there's another software called Slicer. So it slices every part into thin sheets, just like CNC, which is used in manufacturing, whereby it's a material removing process. 3D printer, it adds material in layer by layer system, right? So at the end of the day, you'll have something or whatever you are printing for, right? Talking about its future, a lot of industries have shown interest of them in it, and they are investing a lot of money into it. Like NASA has recently, NASA is recently working on a project in which what they're doing is they're trying to print with biomaterials to print food actually for the astronauts, like and it's helping in medical systems because they are able to print some advanced medicines with it. It's helping in automotive because it's good in rapid prototyping of products. So that is how it's contributing. This whole thing is contributing to the future.
In last, he showed in practicality the outcomes of the machinery, what it produces and how it produces. After seeing the result, we were amazed and we came onto a conclusion that this can be used very well as a gifting option for their transparent and unique appearance.